What exactly is a Power Foods meal? I have been wondering about this since January. Does it have to have a P and a V, and then either a C or F, or both, depending on our goals? For example, if I ate an F and a V, but not a P, is that still a Power Foods meal? It's a great question. So an anchor is a PV. That is not a meal though. That is an anchor. That's a Power Foods anchor. Energy nutrients are carbs and fats, C and F. If you eat those on their own, it's not a Power Foods meal. If you eat a PVC meal, that is a Power Foods meal. If you eat a PVF meal, that is a Power Foods meal. If you eat a PVCF meal, that is a Power Foods meal. Those are our 3 meal types in the Power Foods lifestyle. If you have any iteration of those, let's say you're eating 3,000 calories a day and you have triple Ps, triple Vs, a double F, and a double C, is that a Power Foods meal? Yes, because it had an anchor and an energy nutrient. Can it have more energy nutrients? Yes. What if you eat just a veggie and a fat? Is that a Power Foods meal? No. Why? Because it didn't have an anchor. It didn't have a P. So does that mean it's bad? No, I'm giving you definitions of what defines a meal. So what would I call the veggie fat? So let's say, for instance, you took some celery and cucumber and you dipped it in your guacamole. That's a wonderful, wonderful snack. And that's just it. That's a Power Foods snack, a strategic snack. So just in terms of helping yourself define what qualifies as a meal, it has to have an anchor, which is a PV, and it has to have an energy nutrient, which is an F or a C or both. If you eat a PV alone, it is not a meal. It is an anchor. You've anchored your blood sugar, but you have not eaten a meal.
Hi, I'm Christy Joe. I'm a mind and body strategist, and I want to invite you to come get my book. But you know what? The book is long and sometimes we don't want to read, so I've made it into a cheat sheet, basically the Cliff's Notes version of the book, the most important principles you need to know and start applying today. So come on over, get your free download. As you apply the principles in this cheat sheet, you are going to start feeling so much more confident, feeling like this is actually doable. Strategic nutrition is different from just healthy eating, and there are explanations for why you're feeling the way you're feeling. All of the advice you've been given over the years that hasn't worked for you, I'm going to provide so much clarity to all of that. So come join me, get your free cheat sheet, and I can't wait to help you on your journey to power your body. Let's do it one meal, one workout, one day at a time.